when you realise that Scotland is the most beautiful country on the planet. And this is why we love Scotland. So here we are at the top of Loch Ness. Like I said in the little clip beforehand, this is why we love Scotland. Just look at it. Absolutely stunning. It makes it even better here, especially when I'm hungover, Kels. But you can see Kelly is here. But she's the designated driver because it's the best way of putting it. Hanging out Mars. But we thought we'd come round and just take a wee drive round Loch Ness, did we? Before we go and see our niece and nephew. So, to other mums out there who may be watching, maybe 30 years, 31 I think, happy Mother's Day. So let's go and have a wee look round Loch Ness. And there's actually, I'm going to turn the camera around, there's actually people in there braving it.
You can just see the reds of their swimming caps.
Yep.
They've been in there longer than I thought they would. It's too big. Can't really see them now, but they are there.
Or if you see Nessie, tag me below. Oh, I can't rush far over. So there's Kelly sitting in the car. Look. So we've stopped at this burger place, got the Humble Burger. I think we saw it on a TikTok or a Facebook or something. So we're going to give it a try before we head to my brother's. So we're coming down to this little wee lake bit in Elgin to eat the Humble Burger. So, and here it is. And this one on Kelly's left hand, it's called the Plain Jane, was it? Plain
Yes.
Jane.
It's a cheeseburger.
Well, I think it's a smash burger, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. And this one was
The Mother's Day special.
yeah. You want to tell Abdi what's in it?
A chicken burger, Parmesan truffle chicken, and a Asian slaw. I can't remember what the fries were.
They look good, though, do they?
Yeah, I mean, even that bun. You wouldn't get buns like that at McDonald's, they're all squashed.
Yeah. So, well, I want to get wired then.
Steve's waiting.
Steven Seagal's waiting. The size of that bloody seagull. It's like a pterodactyl. You ain't getting it. Yep. How was that fry, babe?
Nice.
So you tasted the Asian slaw, but you're not a fan of onions and stuff, are you?
No, not really.
But
It's actually nice.
you're loving it.
Spicy.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna like it then, am I?
It's got a little kick, but it's really tasty.
Fries are lovely. You're not getting it back.
I am.
Yeah. Put with these again.
Truffle, Parmesan.
Okay. This is a truffle Parmesan chicken. So we'll give it a go. Oh man. That is good. Oh, shit.
Do you want to just try the burger as well while you're there?
So we'll try this. Oh, it's a huge bit of chicken. Well, that's lovely.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to just try the burger while you're there as well?
I'm getting to try Ahan for you. Yeah. The Plain Jane burger is very soft. It's very tasty.
So what's your rating? 10 out of 10?
Chicken truffle truffle things. That's a 10 out of 10. The chicken burger is a 9 out of 10, and that burger reminds me of a burger from when I was in Florida. So that's a 9 as well.
How about your chips?
I'd give them an 8.
And your spicy slaw?
Well, it was spicy, so that'll get a 5, because I like spice. So we forgot to end the vlog a few days ago, did we?
We did.
I was still hungover till late at night, but that'll be the end of the vlog now. But we want to make another one. We want to see if we can hunt for some puffins at the Boelers Buchens. So we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.